This is our magical train. But it's sad. It needs magical eggs for energy. We have to go to 5 different stops to collect the egg. Will you help me count? Let's start. Here is an egg. What color is it? Red. Our train now has one red egg. There are two eggs here. They are yellow. Now our train has 2 yellow eggs. How many are these 3? The color is pink. Now our train has 3 pink eggs. There are 4 eggs here. They are green. The most egg 5 and the color is orange. Now our train has 5 orange eggs. Our train is fully changed. I am proud of you. Bye. Oh, have a look here. What is this? Hello friends. Hello friends. It looks like we have shape. They look so good. Let's go. This is pentagon. Let's go for the next. This is a red square. This is green circle. This is yellow parallelogram. This is pink triangle. This is orange octagon. This is blue oval. This is green rectangle. That's look fantastic. I am so proud of you. Bye. Hello friends. What is this? Ooh, have a look here. Ooh, shiny. Let's go. Amazing. Yahoo! This is an apple. I am so proud of you. Let's go for the next. Let's go. Amazing. This is here. Let's go for the next. Yahoo! This is grape. This is banana. Let's go for the next. Amazing. Let's go. Yahoo! This is an orange. This is watermelon. Hey, come on. This is mango. Fruits so healthy. That's look fantastic. Bye.
What is this?
Hello friends.
This is circle. This is square. This is triangle. This is oval. This is rectangle. This is pentagon. This is diamond. This is heptagon. Wow! Wow! This is hexagon. This is trapezium. This is a star. This is parallelogram. This is arrow. This is octagon. Wow! Wow! This is plus.